Students, day before yesterday I gave you some sums. Perhaps you have done it. Those who are unable to do, for them again I am discussing. First question. Question you have to see which is given to you. How to write? Let tens digit is x and ones digit is y. So the original number is 10x plus y. When digit reversed, the reversed number should be 10y plus x. According to question, the sum of the digits means x plus y is equal to 1 and 7 times of the original number means 7 into 10x plus y is equal to 4 times the reversed number means 4 into 10y plus x. Now you are obtaining two equations. You have to solve it. Second question. As we know, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Angle A plus B is equal to C by 2 because C is equal to 2 into A plus B given. Now in place of A plus B in the equation number 1, in place of A plus B you can put C by 2 and C will be remain same. So C by 2 plus C is equal to 180. Now you can solve C from here. After getting C, you can easily get B and A. Third question. You know that when two vehicles run in same direction, the relative speed should be the difference of their speed. And when both are running in opposite direction, the relative speed should be the sum of their speed. Let the speed of car A is equal to x km per hour and B is equal to y km per hour where x greater than y. According to question, they are running in same direction. I told you in same direction relative speed should be the difference of their speed. So x minus y, and in this case it has taken 7 hours. We know speed into time is equal to distance. So 7 into x minus y is equal to 70. And if they run in opposite direction, means relative speed should be added. So x plus y, and they meet in 1 hour. So x plus y into 1 is equal to 70. Now you can see two equations in front of you. You have to solve it to obtain x and y. Fourth question. Asking from the equation sum of the roots and product of the roots. You know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a and product is equal to c by a. As an example, only one sum I have done here. 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 root 3 by 2, and alpha beta means product of the root is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Last sum means number 5th. I am doing the last part of the sum means number 2 question. Number 5 second question. Alpha given is equal to 3 beta and alpha beta given 48. So in place of alpha you can put 3 beta. So it is 3 beta square. You can see alpha beta is equal to 48. Alpha is equal to 3 beta. In place of alpha I can put 3 beta. So 3 beta into beta is equal to 48. Means 3 beta square is equal to 48. So beta square is equal to 16. So beta is equal to 4. If beta got 4, its 3 times is alpha. So alpha is equal to 12. Now you form the equation. As you know, equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. I hope now you have understood the sum. Thank you.